Hey everybody, it's Dustin again down here at Boatmasters Marine, Akron, Ohio. Wanted to show you the new 2015 Hurricane Sundeck 201. You notice that huge front swim platform makes it nice getting in and out of the water, keep you away from the engine. Stainless steel rub rail, tandem axle trailer, brakes on one axle, aluminum I-beam, nothing painted, nothing rust, nothing to flake. Coming around the back here, you see that nice big swim platform in the back as well. So you have dual swim platforms, one in the front, one in the rear. Tan interior, nice big sun pad in the back here. Nice walk-through. Flush mounted Lowrance X4 Pro fish finder. Makes it nice. Now the 201 is best known for these seats right here. As you can see, you can flip them up, make it a seat. Flip them down to the second notch, make it a recliner. Or lay it completely flat here and make it a seat. So they really utilize a lot of the seating capacity in this one. You notice that bows, nice and big. LED lights so you can see when you're getting in and out at night. Stainless steel speaker covers. Live well in the front here. And again, from up here you can really notice how big, nice and convenient that front swim platform is. Nice overview from the front there. Again, snap-in carpet, easy to keep clean. Nice little wet sink over there, tucked over to the side. Side-mounted table. Very nice, convenient. Again, this is Dustin down here at Boatmasters Marine, Akron, Ohio. Just giving you a quick glimpse at the 2015 Hurricane 201. Thanks for tuning in.